The first step is attaching the filter wheel to the camera. Remove the 10 screws from the front cover of the filter wheel and then take off the cover. Unscrew the 4 screws near the central bearing of the filter disc, then take off the wheel disc. Locate the 4 screw holes on the filter wheel and the corresponding screw holes on the camera. Please note the location of the camera sensor and choose the corresponding 4 holes out of 6. Tighten the 4 screws so the filter wheel and the camera are locked together. Put back the wheel disc and tighten the 4 screws near the central bearing. For easy installation, you can place the screws into the black ring first. Put the front cover to the filter wheel. Second step, connecting the OAG to the filter wheel. Remove the telescope adapter of OAG. Find the screw holes corresponding to the OAG and filter wheel. Adjust the position of the OAG to align the direction of the prism and sensor, and fix it with screws. Install the OAG adapter ring. Rotate the set screw, then adjust the position of the prism to avoid blocking the sensor. Third step, connecting the OAG to the planetary camera. Align the OAG prism and the camera's sensor position.